Hello Dnation and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing a vinyl action figure of Harley Quinn with a hammer from the Joker's limited edition collection by Augen. And I'm going to be showing you the features and specifications of this awesome figurine. So stay tuned with me on this one and let's get this started. So, before we begin, I just want to let you know that Harley Quinn is one of my favorite female DC comic characters. And I was thrilled when I found this particular Joker limited edition collection vinyl figure of Harley Quinn, which I had to get to add to my figurine collection, so here we are. And just so you know, this particular figurine doesn't come in any kind of signature boxing, but was well secured in bubble wrap and in a cardboard box. And with that being said, I received this Harley Quinn action figure, which includes a body, a head, a hammer, a stand and a base plate which seems to be of good quality. So with that out of the way, this figurine setup needs a minor assembly, so let's go ahead and get to it. Well, by the looks of it, I'm really happy that I got this Joker's limited edition collection vinyl figure of Harley Quinn. Well, all I can say is that this vinyl Harley Quinn figurine is quite sturdy and you sure do get what you pay for. So to begin with, this is a vinyl figurine of the infamous Harley Quinn that comes with no articulation but comes with some awesome details and looks really amazing and badass as she always does. This figurine is 5 inches in height, 3 inches in width by itself, and I should admit that this figurine is quite sturdy and weighs in at about 75 grams approximately and comes with some pretty good details which we will now take a closer look at. So stay tuned, check it out and let me know what you think in the comments below. And in case you're interested, kindly find further features, specifications and the Best Buy link for this Harley Quinn figurine in the description below. And all I can say is that I'm really glad I got this figurine to add to my action figure collection, and this is a definite must-have for any action figure collector, especially if you are a Harley Quinn enthusiast. So with that being said, let's place this Harley Quinn figure on the Dnation turntable and stay tuned for some fun facts on Harley Quinn coming up. Harleen Frances Quinzel, also known as Harley Quinn, is a character appearing in the American comic books published by DC Comics. Harley Quinn was created by Paul Dini and Bruce Timm as a humorous henchwoman for the supervillain Joker in Batman the Animated Series and debuted in the 22nd episode of the series on September 11, 1992. While originally intended to appear in one episode, she became a recurring character within the DC animated universe as the Joker's sidekick and love interest, and was adapted into the DC Comics Batman comic book canon, beginning with the one-shot Batman Harlequin #1, October 1999. Following her introduction to the DC Universe in 1999, Harley Quinn was depicted as a frequent accomplice and lover of the Joker, as well as a close friend of fellow supervillain Poison Ivy, the former being one of her patients when she worked as an intern psychiatrist at Gotham City's Arkham Asylum. The character has been part of a short-lived alliance with Poison Ivy and Catwoman, the trio being known as Gotham City's Sirens. Harley Quinn's abilities include expert gymnastic skills, proficiency in weapons and hand-to-hand combat, complete unpredictability, immunity to toxins, and enhanced strength, agility, and durability, making her a formidable opponent. The character has a pair of pet hyenas, Bud and Lou, which sometimes serve as her attack dogs. And for further information on Harley Quinn, kindly check the link in the description below. And if you want to get yourself or your loved ones this Harley Quinn action figure featured in today's video, I dropped the Best Buy link in the description below, so go check it out and get yourself one if you're interested. And also please do let me know in the comments below as to what are your thoughts about this Harley Quinn figurine. And I would like to take a moment to thank all my Dnation subscribers and followers for your constant support and feedback, and it is much appreciated. So kindly continue to support Dnation by liking and sharing our videos, as it would really help us out a lot. And in case you missed out on our previous episodes, please do check out the rest of the 118 scale and the 112 scale diecast motorcycle episodes, and a lot more fun stuff in the playlist below. And this brings us to the end of this episode, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, a like, comment and share would be much appreciated. And kindly support Dnation by subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and click that notification bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. Also do follow us at dnation.in on Instagram for daily diecast previews and updates, and stay tuned for all new and one-of-a-kind episodes coming up. Well, thank you for watching, take care, and I'll see you on the next one.